Today, we're exploring how to add a before and after image comparison to your website using the Nextblocks plugin. This feature is perfect for showcasing transformations, such as product makeovers or renovation projects, allowing your audience to visually compare changes. Before we begin, ensure you have the WordPress block editor should be active on your site and activate both the free and pro versions of Nextblocks. Step 1. Install and activate both the free and pro versions of Nextblocks. To install the Nextblocks plugin in WordPress, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. Click on Add New and type Nextblocks in the search bar. Find the Nextblocks plugin in the results, click the Install Now button, and wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Next, activate the Pro version. To do this, go to Nextblocks and click on the Upgrade Now button. Here, you'll see the benefits of upgrading. Click Upgrade Now again and choose the plan that best suits your needs. After purchasing, you'll receive a zip file and an activation code. Now, return to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and click on Add New. Then, click Upload Plugin, select the Nextblocks Pro zip file, and click Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Activate Plugin. Once activated, go to the Nextblocks dashboard and click on Activate Pro. Enter your license key and click Activate. Congratulations, you've successfully activated the Pro version of Nextblocks. Step 2. Activate the before and after block in the Nextblocks. To activate the before and after block, access the Nextblocks settings in your WordPress dashboard by navigating to Nextblocks in the sidebar. Use the search function to find the before and after block. Toggle the switch to activate the block and click Save Settings to confirm. Step 3. Add block to web page. Now, let's add the before and after block to your page. Open the page or post where you'd like to add the comparison slider. Click the plus icon to add a new block. Now, search for the before-after block and simply click to add it. Step 4. Customize the block. Now, let's look at the key features of the block. It offers 3 slider styles: opacity for a fade effect, horizontal for a classic left-to-right slider, and vertical for a top-to-bottom comparison. These different options give you flexibility in how you showcase your before and after images. In the block settings, click on Before Image to upload the before image, then click on After Image to upload the after image. You can also add the before label here and the after label here. You can also set the alignment of the slider within its container. If you want the slider to span the full width of the parent container, enable the full width toggle. Additionally, you can control the slider's behavior. Turn on the on-mouse hover toggle to have the separator follow your mouse, or disable it if you prefer to move the slider with clicks. Finally, choose the appropriate image size from the drop-down. Moving on to the separator option. By enabling the separator line toggle, you unlock settings to customize the separator. You can choose between a middle style, which creates a full-height vertical separator, and a bottom style, which creates a full-width horizontal separator at the bottom. Adjust the separator's width, change its color, and if you're using the bottom style, modify the bottom separator color. There's also an option to add an icon within the separator and set its initial position. Then there's the opacity mode. Here you only need to select the before image and the after image, and the slider automatically creates a smooth fade effect between them. For more details on opacity mode, you can refer to the official documentation. When it comes to responsive design, the before-after block is built to work seamlessly across all devices. It automatically scales its layout for mobile, tablet, and desktop screens, ensuring that your slider looks great no matter what device your visitors use. However, you might want to tweak the alignment or toggle the full-width mode for optimal display on smaller screens. To further style your before and after block, switch to the Style tab in the block settings. Here you can customize slider labels, typography, colors, and more. For advanced users, the advanced settings allow you to add a custom CSS class, letting you further fine-tune the appearance using your own CSS code. And that's it. You've successfully added a before and after image comparison to your WordPress site. This feature is a great way to engage your audience and showcase visual transformations. For more detailed instructions, check out the full document on our website. Check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.